Hello everyone, I'm BatPan, a bat who's been dodging missiles. This video is really just a friendly chat between us, what happened and what's coming next for the channel. First of all, after my post explaining what was going on, you guys flooded the comments with so much positive energy and love. Honestly, I don't know how to thank you enough. During those dark days when I didn't know what was gonna happen next, you guys had my back. Thank you all for being here. You guys are so amazing. Also, guess what? We just reached 260 subscribers. Our family is growing and I know it's gonna only grow bigger. Now we have a real community where we can talk, learn and help each other on this game dev journey. So what actually happened? Well, my exams were coming up, so I pre-recorded 3 videos to edit and upload later, including the food mechanics systems like Fierce to Fathom in Unity. You can check that out through the link in the description if you didn't watch it. Then one morning I heard from my friends that our country was attacked. I searched it myself and yeah, it was true. At first I couldn't believe it would get that bad. In the next few days, Iran's government completely disconnected our internet. No Google, nothing, just local sites. YouTube has always been filtered in our country and we always had to use VPNs and very bad upload and download speeds to gain access to YouTube. But for the past couple of days we actually didn't have any access to any platforms other than the platforms inside our country. I kind of expected that, which is why I made a post explaining the war situation. I don't want to make this video too long or spread negative energy, so I won't talk much about the war except to say I hope none of you ever experienced the shock of losing loved ones, missiles flying, or the horrors civilians faced. So many innocent lives were lost. May they rest in peace, and my deepest condolences to their families. I hope the world sees no more wars like this ever again. Now on to the future of our channel. I've been working for a company that makes games for amusement parks, which is actually super cool and a great learning experience for me. I told you about that in a post as well. I plan to make more videos covering topics that aren't widely available, or even if they are, then I think I can add something new to it. I will create it. We'll have viewer-driven scenarios where you suggest ideas and I'll recreate them with my knowledge, so we both learn together. And of course, we'll continue making Fierce to Fathom functions because you guys suggested so many cool features from that game. I've written them all down and we'll make them one by one. We'll also keep making regular videos that help you on your game dev journey, and I'm planning to make a simple beginner-friendly course on how to make a basic 3D game from start to finish. I don't know exactly where to start yet or what the game will be, but I promise I'll create something easy to follow. That's it for this video. Again, thank you so much for being with me on this game dev journey. I really enjoy it and I've missed you guys a lot. I'll be back making videos unless they go to war again and disconnect the internet. Thank you so much for watching. Hope all the very best for you guys, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.